Hey everyone, it's Natural Hair is Key here, and I'm back with another braideless crochet. So, if you're liking what you're seeing, let's jump right into the video. So, of course, I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I did blow dry my hair just so I could get it to be more straight instead of being so curly. So, basically, what you see me doing here is just parting off the front of my hair, just getting it out of the way so I can work on the back. All right, guys, so this is where we want to start our flat twisting. For the ladies that cannot braid, either can I, which when I say braid, I can't cornrow. I can French braid, but I can't cornrow. So this takes the place of corn rolling. So I'm just flat twisting all of my back. And then when I get to the nape area, I'm just going to apply my oiled rubber band to the end of my twist, like I'm doing now. And then when I have the one side completed, I'm just going to rubber band that whole side together. Of course, you adding a rubber band to the end of your twist is optional. You do not have to do that, but I did that just because I don't flat twist very tight, so I did it on both sides. That way I know my flat twists are secure. Here I am parting off the front of my hair, and I'm not going to show everything on camera. I'm just going to show you about a couple parts, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So I'm going to let you get into this for a minute, and then I'll be back. All right, it's crochet time. So let's get to it. And we're basically just doing a regular crochet here, nothing special. Just inserting the needle underneath the flat twist, hooking the hair to the hook, closing the latch, and pulling it through. Then you're going to connect the end of the lock to the hook and pull it through the hoop. And then you're going to push that all the way down to your flat twist. And I'm just going to continue to do that until the whole back has been completed. All right, now we are moving on to the front of the head. We're going to insert the crochet needle, hook the hair, close the latch, pull it through. Then we're going to take the end of the lock again, and we're going to take our twist at the same time, and we're going to pull those both through the hoop of the crochet lock. Then pull both strings apart so that you tighten the knot. And now you're going to If your hair is longer, then you want to do halfway on the twist when you insert the crochet needle. You don't want to go all the way down because it's not going to work. So just start halfway and then go all the way up through the lock to the top. Then you want to pull, or then you want to hook your hair, your twist to the hook, close the latch, and then pull it through the actual crochet lock, because this lock is hollow. So you're just pulling your hair through the middle of it. And then if you have hair left over like I do, then you're going to match up the length like that. And then you're going to insert the crochet needle and go back up to the top, not all the way, but just to where your twist ends. And then you're going to pull that through the lock as well. And it should look like this when you're done. All finished. And I'm going to show you this a couple more times, and then we will have the finished look. And here is our bomb finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family. And of course, as always, I'll catch you on the next video.